Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. When it comes to owning a car, maintenance costs can significantly impact your budget. In this three-part series, we'll explore the vehicles that are the cheapest to maintain. Let's begin with Part 1. The cheapest cars to maintain. When it comes to owning a car, one of the key considerations is the cost of maintenance. Nobody wants to be hit with hefty repair bills down the line. That's why today, we're diving into the topic of the cheapest cars to maintain. If you're in the market for a reliable and budget-friendly vehicle, you'll want to pay close attention. We'll be discussing popular models such as the Toyota Camry, Mitsubishi Mirage, Honda Civic, Mazda 6, Nissan Versa, Mini Cooper, Volkswagen Passat, GMC Sierra, Kia Soul, and Hyundai Elantra. So, let's explore which of these cars offer the most economical ownership experience. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry, a popular midsize sedan, is known for its reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. In this section, we will provide an overview of the Toyota Camry and discuss the cost of maintaining this vehicle. The Toyota Camry has been a consistent front-runner in the midsize sedan segment for many years. It offers a smooth and comfortable ride, spacious interiors, and a reputation for excellent safety ratings. Available in various trims and engine options, the Camry caters to a wide range of preferences and budgets. This sedan is equipped with advanced features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone integration, and driver assistance technologies, ensuring a convenient and enjoyable driving experience. With its sleek design and attention to detail, the Camry strikes a perfect balance between practicality and sophistication. Cost of maintenance for the Toyota Camry. When it comes to the cost of maintaining a Toyota Camry, owners can expect relatively affordable expenses compared to some other vehicles in its class. Toyota is known for its exceptional build quality and longevity, resulting in fewer repairs and replacement parts over time. Regular maintenance tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and filter replacements are relatively low cost and can be easily performed at a reputable mechanic or dealership. Additionally, the availability of genuine Toyota parts ensures compatibility and reliability, further reducing long-term maintenance costs. Furthermore, the Camry's excellent fuel efficiency helps keep running costs in check. With its efficient engines and aerodynamic design, the Camry delivers impressive mileage, requiring fewer visits to the gas station and resulting in long-term savings. In conclusion, the Toyota Camry offers a compelling combination of reliability, comfort, and affordability. Its reputation for durability and low maintenance costs make it an attractive option for those seeking a cost-effective midsize sedan without compromising on quality and performance. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage is a compact car that is known for its affordability and fuel efficiency. It is a popular choice for those seeking a reliable and economical vehicle. In this section, we will provide an overview of the Mitsubishi Mirage and discuss the cost of maintenance associated with this car. Overview of the Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage is a compact hatchback that offers a practical and reliable mode of transportation. It is designed to be compact and efficient, making it ideal for city driving and commuting. The Mirage features a sleek and modern design, with a comfortable interior that can accommodate up to 5 passengers. One of the standout features of the Mitsubishi Mirage is its impressive fuel efficiency. With its lightweight construction and efficient engine, the Mirage offers excellent gas mileage, helping you save money on fuel costs. Additionally, its small size makes it easy to park in crowded city streets and navigate through tight spaces. Cost of maintenance for the Mitsubishi Mirage. When it comes to the cost of maintenance, the Mitsubishi Mirage shines as one of the most affordable cars to maintain in its class. The Mirage is built with simplicity in mind, which translates to lower maintenance costs compared to more complex vehicles. The Mirage is equipped with a reliable and durable engine that requires regular maintenance, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and routine inspections. These maintenance tasks are relatively inexpensive and can be easily performed by most auto service centers or DIY enthusiasts. Furthermore, the Mirage's parts and components are moderately priced and widely available, thanks to Mitsubishi's extensive dealership network. This means that in the event of a repair or replacement, finding affordable parts and qualified mechanics won't be a hassle. In terms of longevity, the Mitsubishi Mirage has a reputation for being a dependable vehicle that can withstand the test of time with proper care and maintenance. The simplicity of its design, combined with Mitsubishi's commitment to quality, ensures that the Mirage can provide reliable performance for years to come. We have now heard that the Mitsubishi Mirage offers an affordable and practical option for those looking for a cost-effective vehicle. With its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, the Mirage proves to be an excellent choice for budget-conscious individuals who still value reliability and functionality in their daily commute. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is a popular compact car known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and versatility. With its sleek design and impressive performance, the Civic has been a favorite among car enthusiasts and practical car buyers alike. In this section, we will take a closer look at the overview of the Honda Civic and discuss the cost of maintenance for this vehicle. Overview of the Honda Civic. The Honda Civic, a nameplate that has been around for decades, has built a strong reputation in the automotive industry. It is widely recognized for its excellent build quality, durability, and long-lasting performance. The Civic is available in various trims, including sedan, coupe, and hatchback, allowing buyers to choose a style that suits their preferences. One of the standout features of the Honda Civic is its impressive fuel efficiency. With advancements in technology, the Civic boasts excellent mileage, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting or long road trips. Additionally, the Civic offers a comfortable and spacious interior that can accommodate both passengers and cargo with ease. When it comes to safety, the Honda Civic doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with a wide range of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control. These features contribute to making the Civic a reliable and secure option for drivers and their passengers. Cost of maintenance for the Honda Civic. In addition to its outstanding performance and features, the Honda Civic offers affordable maintenance costs. Thanks to its widespread popularity and availability of parts, servicing and repairing a Honda Civic is relatively inexpensive compared to other vehicles in its class. Routine maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, are essential to keep any vehicle running smoothly, and the Honda Civic is no exception. However, the cost of these routine maintenance services for the Civic is generally reasonable, making it an economical choice for budget-conscious car owners. Moreover, the Civic has a strong reputation for its longevity and reliability, requiring fewer repairs and replacements compared to some of its counterparts. This attribute further adds to its affordability over the long term, as owners can expect to spend less on unexpected repairs. We have learned that the Honda Civic offers a compelling package of a stylish design, fuel efficiency, safety features, and affordable maintenance costs. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone seeking a dependable car for your family, the Honda Civic proves to be an excellent choice that provides both value and reliability. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a popular midsize sedan known for its stylish design, impressive performance, and advanced features. If you're looking for a reliable, yet affordable car to maintain, the Mazda 6 is an excellent choice. In this section, we will provide an overview of the Mazda 6 and delve into the cost of maintenance for this vehicle. Overview of the Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 is a sleek and sporty sedan that offers a perfect blend of comfort and driving dynamics. With its bold exterior design and refined interior, it appeals to both practicality and style-conscious buyers. The Mazda 6 is equipped with a range of modern technologies and safety features, making it a well-rounded option in its class. Under the hood, the Mazda 6 offers a choice of powerful and fuel-efficient engines. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers ample power for daily commuting, while the available turbocharged engine provides an exhilarating driving experience. The Mazda 6 also boasts responsive handling and precise steering, ensuring a fun and engaging ride on any road. Inside the Mazda 6, you'll find a thoughtfully designed cabin with high-quality materials and comfortable seating. The infotainment system is user-friendly and comes with standard features like a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. Additionally, the Mazda 6 offers a generous amount of cargo space, making it practical for everyday use. Cost of maintenance for the Mazda 6. When it comes to the cost of maintenance, the Mazda 6 shines with its affordable upkeep. Mazda vehicles are known to be reliable and durable, resulting in lower overall maintenance expenses. Here are a few factors that contribute to the Mazda 6's affordability in terms of maintenance. Reasonable parts and service costs. Mazda parts are generally competitively priced, making replacements or repairs more budget-friendly compared to certain luxury brands. Additionally, the availability of Mazda parts is widespread, ensuring that you won't have to wait long for replacements. Fuel efficiency. The Mazda 6 is designed to be fuel efficient, meaning you can save on gas expenses over time. This not only helps with daily commuting but also reduces the frequency of refueling, resulting in long-term cost savings. Reliability and durability. Mazdas are built to last, and the Mazda 6 is no exception. With proper maintenance and regular servicing, the Mazda 6 can serve you well for many years to come, minimizing the need for costly repairs or premature replacements. Warranty coverage. Mazda offers a comprehensive warranty package, including a 3-year, 36,000-mile new vehicle warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. This coverage provides peace of mind and reduces the financial burden in the event of unexpected repair needs. Overall, the Mazda 6 stands out as an affordable car to maintain, thanks to its reasonable parts and service costs, fuel efficiency, reliability, and warranty coverage. By choosing the Mazda 6, you can enjoy a well-rounded and cost-effective ownership experience without compromising on style or performance. That wraps up part 1 of our series on the most cost-effective cars to maintain. We hope this information helps you make an informed choice for your next vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Join us in part 2, where we'll continue our journey to find the budget-friendly options. Thank you for watching.